The internet's creepiest nightmare has officially entered theaters, and somehow it actually works. Backrooms is the latest horror film from A24, directed by Kane Parsons. Yes, the same creator who made the viral YouTube analog horror series. And honestly, this movie feels less like a traditional horror film and more like stepping into a nightmare you cannot wake up from. The story follows Clark, a lonely furniture store owner struggling with depression, alcoholism, and the collapse of his personal life. One night, hidden behind a wall in his store, he discovers an entrance to something impossible, an endless maze known as the backrooms. And from that moment, the movie pulls you in completely. What makes Backrooms so effective is not jump scares or non-stop monsters. It's atmosphere. Every hallway feels wrong, every corner feels dangerous. The yellow walls, bulging lights, empty rooms, they create this constant feeling that something terrible is nearby, even when nothing is happening. And that's the genius of the movie. As the characters move deeper into the back rooms, you start mentally mapping the space yourself. Left turn, narrow hallway, weird kitchen, endless office room. You are trying to figure out how to escape at the same time they are. It creates this weird immersive tension that gets stronger every minute. The film also nails the analog horror aesthetic. Tiny Parsons mixes found footage, VHS visuals with traditional cinematography surprisingly well. 1 second it feels like an old camcorder tape from the 90s. The next it becomes cinematic and dreamlike. The transitions are smooth and visually the movie looks incredible for a first time director. And honestly, it's insane that Kane Parsons is only 20 years old. You can feel his understanding of liminal spaces in every scene. Empty furniture stores, abandoned hallways, strange rooms that look familiar but feel cursed. The movie constantly plays with nostalgia and fear at the same time. Now, if you are expecting a plot heavy horror movie with massive twist and clear answers, this probably is not for you. Backrooms is more about the experience than the explanation. The story and the characters are intentionally thin at times because the real main character is the backrooms itself. The movie wants you to feel trapped, confused, and emotionally lost alongside the characters. And for the most part, it absolutely succeeds. There are some flaws though. The third act gets a little messy. Certain character decisions feel rushed, and the movie starts introducing ideas that honestly feel more like skip. The third act gets a little messy. Certain character decisions feel rushed, and the movie starts introducing ideas that honestly feel more like sequel setup than necessary story progression. It also runs slightly too long. Around the final 10 minutes, the pacing starts losing momentum, but even when the movie stumbles, the atmosphere never disappears. Some of the imagery later in the film is genuinely disturbing, not because it's overly graphic, but because it taps into fears about memory, isolation, identity, and losing your sense of reality. The creature design and entity movements are also handled surprisingly well. The movie never fully explains everything, which is smart. It leaves room for theories and discussion instead of ruining the mystery. And that's probably why this movie is going to divide people. Some viewers will love the ambiguity and dreamlike horror. Others will walk out frustrated wanting clearer answers. But one thing is undeniable, Backrooms feels unique. In a time where most horror movies rely on loud jump scares and predictable formula, this movie chooses quiet dread instead. It wants you to sit inside the discomfort, and somehow that makes it even scary. Overall, Backrooms is one of the most interesting horror experiences of the year. It's creepy, immersive, visually unforgettable, and proof internet horror can actually become great cinema when handled by the right creator. If you are a fan of analog horror, liminal spaces, psychological dread, or movies that feel like a nightmare slowly unfold, this is absolutely worth watching. Because Backrooms does not just scare, it makes you feel lost. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more movie series reviews. And I will catch you guys in the next one.